Atsushi Ii, born Yoshio Tanaka, January 1, 1939, is a Japanese voice actor from Tokyo. He was formerly attached to Mausu Promotion and Production A Gumi before settling at Arts Vision. Roles: television animation, Gejij no Kotaro, 4th series. Grandpa, Gejij no Kotaro, 5th series. Nichiro, Heroman, Stan, Hikaru no Go, Oki's grandfather, Hikato no Ken 2, Joseph, Coyote, Kido Shinseki Gundam X, Togusa, Majimi ni Fumajimi, Kaiketsu Zorori, Neyagi, Ruro ni Kenshin, Meiji Kenkaku Romantin, Koji Rudel, Saishu Heiki Kanojo, Kawahara, Soraike, Anpanman, Hyoni, High Priest Tempura, Soul Eater, Old Man, Street Fighter 2V, Elder, Yomigure Rusora, Rescue Wings, Kazuhiko Hirata, Theatrical Animation, Sword of the Stranger, Byakurin, Video Games, Kingdom Hearts Birth by Sleep, Horace Horse Scholar, Scrooge McDuck, Ritai Ninja Katsugeki, Tenchu, Shinobi Gaisen, Yakuro Hikone, Ritai Ninja Katsugeki, Tenchu 2, Kishigoda. Dubbing roles Live action Ali, Elijah Muhammad, Armageddon, Video, DVD edition, Flight Director Clark, Dancer in the Dark, Aldrich Novi, Dawn of the Dead, Commander, Dragon World, Angus McGowan, Andrew Keir, Ghostbusters, DVD edition, Archbishop, In the Line of Fire, DVD edition, President of the United States, The Karate Kid, DVD edition, Mr. Miyagi, The Karate Kid, Part 3, DVD edition, Mr. Miyagi, Rambo, First Blood Part 2, TV Asahi edition, Captain Bin, Twin Peaks, Pete Martell, Jack Nance, Animation Disney's House of Mouse, Horace Horse Scholar, White Rabbit, Sheriff of Nottingham, G.I. Joe, A Real American Hero, Torch, The Simpsons Movie, Theater Edition, Montgomery Burns, CD, Clock Tower 2, Rick, Arts Vision Profile.